Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Imagine hitting the road, miles from anywhere, and still having ice-cold drinks or frozen meals ready. The BODEGACOOLER 53 Cutie promises exactly that, with a claim of being ultra-quiet and incredibly robust. But does it truly deliver on its promise for your next adventure, or is it just another expensive box? We're diving deep to find out. So, what exactly is the BODEGACOOLER 53 Cutie car refrigerator? Simply put, it's a high-performance portable electric cooler designed to go wherever your vehicle takes you, providing true refrigeration on the move. Unlike traditional passive coolers that rely on constantly replenishing messy ice, this advanced unit actively chills or freezes your contents, functioning as a true mobile refrigerator or freezer. It's produced by BODEGACOOLER, a brand that's been gaining significant traction for its innovative, durable, and energy-efficient portable cooling solutions tailored specifically for adventurers, road warriors, and anyone who loves to explore without compromise. This device specifically addresses the universal frustration of soggy food, melted ice, and severely limited fresh food options on extended journeys. It empowers you to bring along an abundance of fresh groceries, safely store sensitive medication at precise temperatures, or even indulge in a frozen treat far from any convenience store or civilization. It's about elevating your outdoor experiences by seamlessly bringing home comforts to the great outdoors, making long trips and remote stays much more enjoyable and convenient for everyone. Let's talk about the features that truly impact your experience. First, the generous 53-quart, 50L, capacity. This isn't just a number, it translates to serious storage. It can comfortably hold up to 80 cans or a significant amount of groceries, easily enough for a family's long weekend trip. You can even stand up 2-liter bottles, making it a highly practical mobile pantry that cuts down on roadside stops. Second, its IPX4 waterproof rating provides robust protection against splashing water. This means unexpected rain, accidental spills, or even a quick hose down won't compromise its performance. This durability is crucial for outdoor adventures, ensuring your investment is safe and functional in challenging environments. Third, the ultra-quiet 31 dB operation. For anyone spending nights in an RV, tent, or truck cabin, this is a game changer. At just 31 decibels, it's quieter than a whisper. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.